Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue number 30 of Build the iconic Ford Falcon XB GT, the Mad Max car, from our good old friends over at Hachette. Now if you'd like to build this 1/8 scale V8 Interceptor along with me, pop over to the Hachette website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can be building this iconic Ford Falcon. Right, let's have a scoot through this week's magazine, folks. You've got the rear right wheel. This is the tyre and the hubcap. Okay, so we're going to need our bowl of warm water because we want to warm this up so that we could stretch it over this rear wheel rim. Also, what you need to realise as well is the white paintwork you want on the wheel nut side, okay, when you put this on. So you want to make sure when you go to stretch this, you orientate it correctly. Now, I've got mine just soaking here in a bowl of boiling water, okay, just to try and soften that tyre up. You got the Gold Wing Dynasty there, the designs for a new era. 2 American sports cars that had vertically rising doors, and it's the DeLorean there, and the bricking at the Brickage show in London there in 2019. Happy days! Look at that. And there it is there in all its glory. And there's the Bricklin SV, showed off the style, both inside and out. Something about gold wing doors, isn't there? I don't know what it is. But yeah, they do look rather sexy. So that's the magazine done, folks. So we'll just carry on warming that tyre up. And then when we come back, we'll fit that tyre to the wheel. So there's our wheel assembly, as you can see, folks. Okay, so we're still warming this tyre up. So we'll just bring that into play. Now it could take a couple of attempts at this just to get this in, so be prepared for that, folks. Okay, so I'm going to leave mine for a little while longer just to warm up, and then we'll give it its first attempt. So let's give this a try. So that's gone in that side. That's gone in that side. Look at that. Pop that straight in there. Just right. Make sure that's going in the rim. And then as this cools down, it's then going to reconform to the shape of the car. Or the wheel rim, should I say. Just get any excess moisture off. That's still quite warm in my hand. But that should now cool down and pop straight into that rim quite nicely. And there you go, folks. It's that easy. The key is that bowl of water does make a difference. So there you go, folks. That's where we're at today. This is the hubcap. That will sit inside there and magnetise to the wheel boss when you fit it to the car. Like so. So that's what you'll end up with. So, if you'd like to grab this and build one of these along with me, head over to the Hachette website by following this link. There's a clickable link in the description. Pop, and you too can be building this iconic car. In the meantime, to help me out and help me grow my channel, give little Festa a click there in the corner and subscribe. Really do appreciate it, folks. Also, whilst you're there, give the bell a ring. Select all. You'll get notified of all upcoming and future content. Thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.